So I'm out here selling gift baskets. These are my chains that I'm selling. These are going for $30 right here. This is the business that I'm going to start once I am done selling these baskets. So I was going to do a glimpse here of what I have. I have grilling baskets. I have these car wash baskets. Okay, and then I have some self-care baskets here. Yeah, I hope it stays. I see some clouds out. I'm happy to see that. Very happy. I'm pretty sure we all are. Okay. Then I have these beer baskets. I don't know what to call them. And then I also have pride baskets. Excuse me. Then I also have some of these inexpensive ones starting at $15. And I just want to say happy Father's Day to all the fathers and to the mothers that are single and raising your kids on your own. And I also have snack baskets here. And that is a basket, like a shaving basket, a beard basket. I also have cards. If you don't want to go, you just want, I'm the one-stop shop here. And here are my pride baskets. I have more baskets in storage, y'all. But it's basically these car wash baskets and maybe a couple of more of these pride baskets. So I am located on Dickerson Pike at the Title Max. If y'all want to come out and support me. If not, you know, just like and share my location. There's my husband, y'all, supporting his wifey. So yeah, just come on out and see if I have anything you like for your husband, your baby daddy, your dad. So I now accept Square, so I can take card now, as well as cash, PayPal, Venmo, and Cash App, and cash also. All right, come out and support. Thank y'all.
I wish I had a time.